Elon Musk is chasing a future where electric cars are affordable, powerful, with Tesla's newest battery technology. This isn't just about better cars, it's about shaking up the global power balance and possibly toppling China's reign over the battery industry. So, grab a snack, settle in, and let's explore this game-changing development together. Let's start with the big picture. Tesla is aiming to produce batteries on an incredible scale, something they call terawatt-hour production. To put that into perspective, they want to churn out around 10 terawatt-hours of battery energy every single year. Why such a massive goal? Well, if we want to switch every vehicle on the planet, cars, trucks, you name it, to electric power, we're going to need a ton of batteries. Experts estimate that with vehicles lasting about 15 years on average, the world would require roughly 150 terawatt-hours of battery capacity to make that shift complete. It's a mind-blowing number, and Tesla is stepping up to make it happen. So how are they pulling this off? It all comes down to their groundbreaking 4680 Gen 2 battery cells. These little cylinders of power are at the heart of Tesla's plan, and they're not just tweaking the old designs, they're rethinking everything. Elon Musk isn't content with relying on others to supply these batteries, especially not overseas players like China. Instead, he's pushing Tesla to build them from scratch, right here in the United States. This could be the spark that challenges China's grip on the battery market, and it's already got the industry buzzing. Now let's talk about what makes this strategy so ambitious. Elon Musk has been vocal about cutting ties with foreign supply chains, and he's not just talking the talk. Tesla has poured billions into their Giga factory in Nevada, turning it into a powerhouse of battery production. They've added a lithium refining plant and a setup to create cathode materials, all under one roof. This isn't just a factory, it's a statement. By handling every step from raw lithium to finished batteries, Tesla is building a system that's fully American-made. It's a huge leap toward independence, and it's happening faster than anyone expected. So what's inside these 4680 Gen 2 batteries that makes them so special? Let's break it down. The name comes from their size, 46 millimeters wide and 80 millimeters tall, but the real story is what's happening inside. Tesla has ditched the old tab design that connects the battery's internals. Instead, they've gone tabless, which lets energy flow more smoothly and keeps heat under control. This tweak means the battery charges faster and handles tough conditions better. On top of that, the Gen 2 version uses a silicon-heavy anode, which can hold way more energy than the usual graphite kind. That's a big deal. It boosts the battery's power without making it bigger. Safety is another win here. These batteries use solid-state tech, which swaps out flammable liquids for a solid material. That cuts down on fire risks and makes them tougher in extreme situations. Plus, they're built to last. Tesla figures these cells could keep a car running for over 1.2 million miles. Imagine driving 40 miles a day for more than 80 years. That's the kind of durability we're talking about. It's a massive jump from what most batteries can do, and it means electric vehicle owners might never need to worry about replacing them. Charging speed is a huge factor too. One of the reasons people hesitate to switch to electric cars is how long it takes to juice them up, but the 4680 Gen 2 battery tackles that head on. With its smarter design, it can go from empty to 80% full in just 15 minutes, assuming everything's lined up perfectly. That's a lot quicker than most electric vehicles out there, and it's getting close to the time it takes to fill a gas tank. For anyone who's been on the fence about going electric, this could be the nudge they need. To make all this real, Tesla is cranking up their production game. The Giga factory in Nevada is set to pump out over 100 gigawatt hours of these batteries every year by 2026. That's enough to power more than 1.3 million cars annually. They're also building a new lithium refining site in Texas, which will support another million vehicles worth of batteries. By keeping everything in-house, Tesla can tweak things faster, keep quality high, and cut costs. It's a level of control that's rare in the car world, and it's paying off big time. For everyday drivers, this is great news. All these improvements mean Tesla can sell high-quality electric vehicles for less. Take the Model 2, their upcoming affordable car. It's rumored to start at around $10,000. That's crazy low for a vehicle with this kind of range and reliability. With the 4680 Gen 2 battery, you're getting more miles per charge and a car that lasts longer, all without shelling out a fortune. It's the kind of deal that could bring electric driving to millions of people who thought it was out of reach. Now let's zoom out and look at the global impact. China has been the king of lithium-ion batteries, controlling over 70% of the market. But Tesla's move to build everything in the US could shake that up. If they pull this off, other car makers might follow their lead, shifting production away from China and closer to home. That's not just a win for Tesla, it's a power shift that could boost America's role in the electric vehicle world. Chinese battery companies are definitely keeping an eye on this, and they've got reason to be nervous.
Before moving further, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, kindly subscribe to it now.
To wrap things up, Tesla's 4680 Gen 2 battery isn't just a cool new gadget. It's a bold step toward changing how electric vehicles are made and who controls the market. By taking charge of their supply chain and rolling out cutting-edge tech, Tesla is setting the stage to lead the industry. The Model 2 could be the car that brings this all together, making electric driving cheap, reliable, and American-made. It's an exciting moment for anyone who cares about cars, tech, or the future, and Tesla's right in the driver's seat. What do you think about all this? Can Tesla's push really put an end to China's battery lead? Drop your thoughts in the comments and subscribe. Thanks for watching.